Are you looking for the best stunt scooters? In this video we will look at some of the 7 best stunt scooters on the market. Before we get started with our video, we have included links in the description, so make sure you check those out to see which one is in your budget range. Number 1. Fuzion Pro X3 Stunt Scooter. The Fuzion Pro X3 is a lightweight and durable stunt scooter designed for entry-level riders. It features aircraft-grade aluminium deck, high-tensile steel V-bars, 100mm cast per wheels with Fuzion metallized ABS composite cores, and a noise-free, nylon, steel Fuzion custom brake. The scooter is equipped with an IHC compression system with sealed bearings and a 3D stamped steel phase fork. With only 3 bolts to tighten, it's easy to assemble and ready to ride right out of the box. Number 2. Fuzion Stunt Scooter for entry-level riders. The Fuzion Stunt Scooter Pro is a lightweight and durable freestyle scooter designed for entry-level and beginner riders. Its ultralight aluminium construction helps you get air with less effort, while the ABEX 7 bearings provide a fast and smooth ride at high speeds. The non-slip grip handlebars and soft rubber handles keep your grip safely in position, and the 4 inches per high rebound wheels provide a smooth ride and comfort when landing. With its rear wheel fender braking system, you can easily and safely stop by foot even when moving at a rapid pace. Assembly is required. Number 3. Mongoose Rise Freestyle Scooter. Experience pro-style park performance with the Mongoose Rise Freestyle Scooter. The lightweight alloy deck boasts an oil slick finish and front and rear alloy pegs, making it perfect for stunts. The max grip on the deck and steel brake, combined with high-impact alloy wheels and durable ABEX 7 bearings, provide smooth and non-slip riding. The one-piece welded steel T-bar handlebar with bike-style grips is both durable and comfortable, and the quadruple anodized clamp collar with threadless headset ensures precise and crisp steering wherever you go. The heavy-duty frame supports children 8 plus up to 220 pounds, making it perfect for both youth and adult riders. Number 4. Goretrax STPRO 200 Pro Scooters. The Goretrax Pro Scooter is an excellent stunt scooter for beginners and intermediate riders. Its 6061 T6 aircraft-grade aluminium deck, solid 110mm aluminium core cast per wheels, high-tensile steel reinforced V-bars, cast steel fork, and durable and quiet steel brake make it durable and built for extreme environments. The IHC compression system and soft rubber grips provide comfort and control, while the aluminium alloy fork ensures excellent stability. The high-tensile steel 360 degrees rotated V-bars make it perfect for tail whips and other tricks. ABEX 9 bearings make for a smooth and quiet ride, and the MN steel brakes make it easy for kids to develop riding skills. The Goretrax Pro Scooter is an eye-catching stunt scooter with a fashionable appearance, electroplated rims, cool graphics, and vibrant colors that everyone will notice. It's the perfect trick scooter for those just starting out or looking to become a master pro scooter rider. Number 5. Arcade Pro Scooters, Stunt Scooter for Kids. The Arcade Pro Scooters is a perfect entry-level stunt scooter for kids, built tough and packed with custom parts to take them from beginner to pro. Equipped with ABEX 7 bearings, reinforced T-bars, and 83-degree head tube to provide a stable and quiet glide. With fresh graphics and smooth wheels, it will make your kids the coolest one at the park. The scooter comes securely packaged and already dialed to ride. Lightweight and built for beginners and intermediate riders, it can take up to 220 pounds. Number 6. Vauxhall K1 Pro Scooter. Take your scooter riding to the next level with the Vauxhall K1 Pro Scooter. This stunt scooter is suitable for intermediate and beginner riders aged 8 and above, as well as adults up to 220 pounds. The custom components make it durable and able to handle rough use. The 110mm alloy neochrome wheels and high rebound 88A per wheels allow for smooth and noise-free gliding, while the T6061 aluminium deck and one-piece T46 fork enable you to perform a variety of tricks, such as bar spin, tail whip, and double backflip. The ABEC 9 bearings provide precision, and the thicker soft rubber grips on the handlebars ensure a comfortable ride. The Vauxhall K1 comes in a sleek design with fresh graphics that will make you the envy of the skate park. It is also easy to assemble with a secure and gift design packaging that avoids damage during shipping. Number 7. Fuzion Z250 Say Pro Scooter. Ride like a pro with the Fuzion Z250 Say Pro Scooter. This beginner and intermediate stunt scooter is perfect for kids aged 8 and up, teenagers, and adults. With custom components like solid 110mm alloy core wheels, responsive nylon brakes, and a tough T6061 aluminium deck, you can ride it hard just like the pros. The ABEC 9 bearings provide a smooth and quiet glide, while the thicker 155mm hex grips and steel riser bar ensure a comfortable ride. Plus, the sleek design and fresh graphics make you the envy of the skate park. It's easy to put together and comes securely packaged in a Fuzion box, with a complete 6-month manufacturing warranty and 30-day money-back guarantee. Order now risk-free.